Hello everyone, it's Myra here from the Learn Club by MAS. So today I'm going to carry out an experiment to identify which solids can be dissolved in water. Before the experiment, I'm going to fill up this hypothesis card to predict if these substances are soluble or insoluble. The first solid is sugar. Maybe I think that it should be soluble. So I will put a check mark in front of soluble. Okay, I've done that. Now the next solid is rice. I think rice is insoluble. So I will put a check mark in front of insoluble. The next solid is flour. I think it's soluble. The next solid is baking powder, baking soda. I think it is insoluble. The next solid is washing powder. I think washing powder is soluble. The next solid is common salt. I think common salt is also soluble. The last one is talcum powder. I think it's insoluble. Okay, so I've done the hypothesis card. Okay, so now let's go and do the experiment. Okay guys, I've got everything for my experiment now. So again, I'm going to identify which solids are soluble and which are non-soluble. So first I've got baking soda. Now I have to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass. Okay. Okay, now I have to put water until here. Now I have to mix it and see if it dissolves or not. Okay guys, I've mixed everything up. I've mixed the water and baking soda. Okay, now I can't see any baking soda, and when I mix well, there's nothing, there's just water. So I think baking soda dissolves, so it's soluble. Okay guys, so the next one is common salt. So I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to pour this in. Okay. I'm going to add water again. Mix. I think it will dissolve. Okay guys, I've stirred it and it is soluble. Okay guys, the next solid is flour. I will add pepper again. Okay, this is a little hard to mix. Okay guys, I mixed it and it's like it's gone, it's dissolved, but its color is still there. I can't really see if it's dissolved, but I think it's dissolved, so it's soluble. Okay, the next one is talcum powder. So this is powder. You have to pour it in. Okay. I don't think it's going to dissolve. It's just like the flour, its color is coming all over. Okay, I think it dissolved. Can't really see because it's very tiny, but I think, and it's very white also, so I think, but I still think it's soluble. Okay, the next one is sugar. You can put every of these things only one teaspoon, not too much. Okay, I know that this dissolves. I know it. I've done this before a lot of times and I know that this dissolves. It takes some time. Okay guys, it's done and it dissolved. Okay guys, the next one is washing powder. Is it the washing powder? No. Okay, now I'm going to add the water. It's turning green. Making a funny noise. Okay. Okay guys, I don't think it's dissolved. So it's insoluble. Okay, great. Okay, so the last one is rice. I don't think that rice will dissolve. Okay guys, it's not dissolved. Just saying that. Okay, so my conclusion of the experiment is that baking soda, common salt, flour, sugar and talcum powder is soluble, but washing powder and rice is insoluble or unsoluble. Okay, so bye. Bye! Okay guys, so let's go back to the hypothesis card and see if my hypothesis card was right or not. So I said that sugar was soluble and that was right. Sugar was soluble. I said that rice was insoluble and that was right. It was insoluble. The next one was flour. I said it was soluble and it was soluble. The next one was baking soda. I think baking soda was soluble and I said it was insoluble. So I'm going to replace this check mark with the soluble. I will put this check mark in the soluble column instead of the insoluble column. Okay. Now it's baking. Okay. So now next we have washing powder. I said washing powder was soluble and it was not insoluble. So I was wrong. next one is common salt. I said it was soluble and I was right, it was soluble. The next one is talcum powder. I said it was insoluble, but it was soluble. But I think it was soluble. So I don't know. They both looked like if they were. They it looked like it was soluble and insoluble, but I'm going to give it insoluble. So I was right for that. Okay, so I guess this video is over. Bye.